Hey, what's up, everybody? Y'all want to make some cheesy barbecue chicken egg rolls? All right, well, let's go. All right, y'all. So first thing we need to do is to get our shredded chicken. So I'm going in with two boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to place them in a pot with a little bit of water, just enough to cover them. Bring that to a boil. And at this stage, I used my little skimmer and I just went and just kind of like skimmed off all of that excess like fat and whatever that kind of comes up from the chicken when you're boiling it. And so I'm just going to reduce my heat at this step and let it cook for about 15 more minutes, y'all. And then the chicken is done. So now I place them in my bowl one at a time, and I just use two forks. It's like the old school method. I mean, you can use not a blender, but you can use a food processor. You can use other types of methods to really get your chicken shredded. But I just like to use my forks and just skim it all off and break it all apart, and it works out fine. It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of muscle, but you know, you'll get there eventually. So y'all, now it's time to flavor this chicken up because this is boneless, skinless chicken breast and we need some flavor. So I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in with some garlic powder, y'all. Going in with a little bit of black pepper, and I'm also going in with a little bit of olive oil just to give it a little bit of fat, a little bit of something up in there, y'all. Then I'm going to mix that all up together, y'all. And I actually got the inspiration for this dish right here from ordering the barbecue chicken pizza from Domino's, and it has a lot of chicken on it, barbecue sauce, cheesy. It is really a good pizza in my opinion, so definitely try it out if you're interested. But yeah, I'm just mixing those spices all up in it together. Time to do a little taste test, and I decided that I needed a little bit of salt in there, so I went in with a little pinch of salt just to awaken everything up, y'all. Mix it all up together. Now it is time to go in with that barbecue sauce, y'all. Again, I kind of just go little by little, put a little bit in there, and then mix it all up together just to kind of like see if it's giving me what I wanted to, and it wasn't at that point, so I went in with some more of that barbecue sauce, y'all. And then you honestly want to just keep doing the exact same thing. Mix it all up, see if it's enough, or you can just go in with a half a cup, which is what I ultimately ended up using, y'all. So I don't need to save y'all all of that, or have y'all go through all of that. Just use about a half a cup, a little bit more if you want it a little bit more saucy, y'all. And then we are almost there, so I went in with my final little bit because this is the consistency that I wanted it at. I didn't want it too dry on the inside. I wanted it still kind of like saucy and juicy. So that is what we achieved, y'all. Now set that to the side, and now it is time to build up these egg rolls. So I went with first my egg roll wrapper. I went in with altogether maybe about 3 tablespoons of that chicken, that shredded chicken or that shredded barbecue chicken, y'all. Then I went in with about a couple tablespoons or little cubes of that Colby Jack and Monterey cheese that I picked up, y'all. You can shred it up if you want to. You can just buy it already shredded. It works out perfectly fine. If you want more cheese, add more. And as you see, I'm going in with an egg wash mixture. So I just have just one single egg. And then I'm going around the perimeter of those egg rolls. And then right here, you want to fold down those corners, press them all the way down to get out those air pockets, y'all. And then roll that bad boy up just like that. Like I said, make sure you're pressing it down at the seams so none of it will spill out. And there you go. I'm going to show you one more time. Put the shredded chicken, the cheese, use that egg wash on the corners, then press them down as you fold them over, y'all. And boom, perfect egg rolls every time, y'all. So now, y'all, I rolled up all of the egg rolls, and this is what they're looking like. And after this, I'm just going to place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes just so they can kind of like come to room temperature a little bit, and so they're not just all warm and stuff when we're frying them up. You want them to kind of like hold their shape a little bit better, y'all, and so all of those ingredients kind of like, you know, mellow out and calm down. Now to fry them up, y'all, I'm going in with some neutral cooking oil in my Dutch oven. Let it come up to temperature for about 10 minutes or so, y'all. And you can test it out just by dumping a little bit of flour in there, a little bit of, I don't want to say water, but that's what I do. But I wouldn't recommend that, y'all. And then you just want to fry them all up on all sides. Just kind of move them around, roll them all up in that oil for about 6 minutes or so, y'all. They cook really fast because, well, they're already cooked, honestly. But you just want to really brown up that egg roll wrapper and really kind of like get that cheese nice and hot and melty. So after about 5 to 6 minutes in that hot grease just frying away, this is what these barbecue chicken egg rolls are looking like, y'all. So crispy, and you see that there is very little to no kind of like spillage of that barbecue chicken and any barbecue sauce, any of that cheese, y'all. So we really did our thing with that egg wash and folding it up and pressing on the seams, y'all. So definitely follow those tips. And now, y'all, I'm just going in with a little bit of mumbo sauce. If y'all from the DMV, y'all know what that is. But you can just use a little bit of barbecue sauce in there, y'all. But now, onto my little close-up. This is what everything is looking like. Nice and cheesy. You see that barbecue sauce in there, y'all. And the mumbo sauce really carries over those barbecue sweet flavors, y'all. So now, of course, I got to show y'all what these egg rolls were looking like, y'all. This stuff was just busting at the seams with that barbecue chicken, y'all, and the cheese in there, y'all. So good. This is the perfect like game day appetizer for any kind of event, y'all. This is perfect, y'all. Try these out definitely, y'all. So let me know what you think of this video and the recipe and all that good stuff in the description box, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can hit that like button, you can share the video, and you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, because I'll be posting a whole lot of videos just like this. All right, y'all. I will see you in the next video. Later.